video, I'm going to show you an alternative method to sustaining yourself through juicing, so that way you can get the proper nutrients if you're not able to eat solid foods, or if you're having a hard time eating solid foods. That seems to be the case with me. Over the last few weeks, it has been very painful to eat actual food, and so I'm going to show you an alternative method with juicing. I have some fruits and some vegetables. I'm also going to show you the blender that I'm going to be using to juice my food. And so let's go ahead and get right into this video, and let me show you the food that I'm going to be using. So for my fruit, we are going to be using this mixed fruit blend, and this particular blend has pineapples, strawberry, peaches, and mango. I purchased this at my local Walmart. And for the vegetables, I'm going to be using this baby greens salad blend, and it has all kinds of vegetables in it, but let's turn it over and see here. We have spinach, carrots, lettuce, we have a whole bunch of stuff in here actually. There's radish and all kinds of good stuff. So we're going to be using these two ingredients, and here's the blender. I am using the Hamilton Beach blender. So let me go ahead and fill it up and start juicing. So as you can see, I've already placed the greens, the vegetable portion in here. So let me go ahead and put the fruit in here. Now you can use any type of liquid that you want. You can use milk, you can use water, you can use juice. But for this particular video, I will be using water, and I'm going to be using my zero water purified water. And you can fill it up however high you want to. I'm actually going to fill it up pretty full. Put the top on. And this button down here is actually how I operate this particular blender. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and finish blending, and the next time you see me, I will be finished and drinking my mix. Okay everyone, I am back. I am currently out on the patio in the back, and it's really nice out here. So I went ahead and finished blending up the mix here, and I put it into one of my containers, one of my blender bottles. You can purchase this at if you have like a GNC or a vitamin shop, you can purchase this there. I actually got this one from my local grocery store, so they have them at Walmart, Target, and if you're not able to go into the store, you can always purchase it online via Amazon. But yeah, that's pretty much it. The consistency for this particular one is fairly watery because I did put a lot of water in it, but you don't have to. And it's really good. So you can put as much liquid in that you want to. You can put ice in it if you want to make it more of a slush. But for me, I just use water. I'm lactose intolerant, so I cannot use any milk. But like I said, you can put any type of liquid that you want to. You can put, you can even put protein powders and different supplements in it if you want to. That way, like I said, I didn't. I just used the ingredients that you saw earlier in the video. But I hope this helps. And if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, sorry guys, this is really good. Feel free to leave them in the comment section below. And I'll see you all later. See you in my next one.
Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe and turn the notifications on to get priority access to the content that I post. Be blessed, and I'll see you in the next one.